So once you've picked your Sudowrite plan, here on the home screen at the top right, you'll see a gear icon. And this is where you can adjust your account-wide settings. You can change your font to whichever you like here, your text size if you need bigger or smaller, line spacing, and then your themes. So sorbet is the default. Watch your eyes. Should have said that sooner. And you have a bunch of other colors here. Purple is the dark mode, and you also have automatic dark mode right here. This one goes by your system, your computer settings. So if you're the type of person who likes to have light settings at one part of the day, dark at the other part of the day, and you have your computer system set to switch at certain times, this automatic dark mode will follow that setting. So it's great for a set it and forget it if you do like to switch things up. Show the word count. This is very helpful. I do recommend leaving that on. Let me scroll back up a little bit. Sorry. I recommend leaving this on. That lets you know how many words are in your document, how many words you have highlighted. Indent paragraphs are just like it sounds. If you like that left justification, you might want to leave it off. That's up to you. You can always buy more credits. Just hit that and you will get the credit screen. Those do not expire. Whenever you buy more credits from this link right here, those credit packs stay on your account until they get used. You can show your recent activity, so you can see how many credits you've been using. Manage your membership, all of those kind of self-explanatory things. And if you go to that manage membership, this is also where you can pause or cancel your plan if you're on that monthly membership. View deleted projects. So if you have deleted project, it stays here until you click on it and choose to permanently delete it. And then you have a little tour. So if you did the free trial, you likely saw that tour already, and you can redo it at any time. And just click this end tour at the top right. And then, of course, to log out. For instance, if you have a couple of accounts, Sudowrite does not mind if you have more than one account with them. And up here, you will see how many credits you have left. Now, if you notice, I have a pop-up on mine. That's because I've purchased a credit pack before. If you have not purchased a credit pack, you will not get that little white pop-up that happens whenever I hover like this. But you can always go into your managed membership, find your current plan, and it tells you your plan renews on such and such date at this time. That's a good way for you to know when things are going to expire, when you need to get your credits used by. All right, so go into the gear icon, pick your theme, decide how big you want your text, your fonts, things like that. Just kind of click around and see. Up next, we're going to look at our different resources that are available.